Hi everyone, Joe Levine here, professional photographer and educator. My setup today has two rather unique qualities. The first is the lens choice. Now I have a 45mm tilt shift or perspective control lens, which allows me to change the plane of focus. And in this case, I have it tilted down pretty close to the same level as the flower, which is allowing me to keep the petals in focus, but with a shallow depth of field, the background's out of focus. I also do have an extension ring on here because I'm almost at macro 1:1. Now the second unique aspect is my lighting. I have a single LED, but you'll notice it's not actually aimed at the subject or the flower in this case. What's happening is it's going into a small mirror, and it's a lot like a bank shot in pool, where it's hitting the mirror and then reflecting right down to the flower as my key light. I do need a little bit of fill, so right next to the mirror, I have a white card that's also capturing light and adds a fill across the entire set. For the background, I have another LED that's just kind of skimming across, adding a little fill to the background. And the final element was a tiny little white card in here, or a dot, just to add a little bit of little highlight on the vase. And we'll just fine tune this and we'll see what we have.